Isaac, what you doing? Is that your friend the panda bear? Oh, and your teddy? Oh,
peace.
Do you not want to share your bed with your teddy?
Can Panda go?
Oh.
Aww. Kiss. Goodbye.
Hey there. Wow. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.